Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to replace Honda Jazz wiper blades. First, gather your new wiper blades, a small flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth. Ensure your vehicle is parked safely on a level surface. Gently lift the driver's side wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. This prevents the arm from snapping back unexpectedly. We'll tackle the passenger side next. Now let's remove the old blade. Look closely at the connector where the blade meets the arm. You'll find a small release tab or button. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old wiper blade downwards, away from the arm's hook. It should detach quite easily. Remember to hold the metal wiper arm securely to prevent it from accidentally snapping back and potentially damaging your windshield. Safety first. With the old blade removed, it's time for the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade upwards along the arm until you hear a distinct click. This sound confirms it's securely locked into position. Once both blades are attached, gently lower the entire wiper arm back down onto your Honda Jazz's windshield. Be careful not to drop it. You've successfully replaced one blade. Now, simply repeat these steps for the passenger side wiper blade. Once both new blades are installed, take a moment to ensure they are firmly attached and can move freely without any obstruction. Finally, hop into your Honda Jazz and test the new wipers using your vehicle's washer fluid. This confirms they are working perfectly, providing clear visibility for safe driving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.